All the way from Tambuk, after 1.5 hours of travel, we're here at the site where the golden calf was built by the Israelites. This is how it looks. This is the surrounding of...
Okay, thank you. Oh yeah.
This is where they built the golden calf, while Moses is at the mountain. Caught in the camera. Bloopers. Nagbablog ako tapos.
Everyone, we are currently now at the top where they built the golden calf. So in Exodus 32, it was Moses was there at Mount Sinai for 40 days and 40 nights. Then because he was there for 40 days and 40 nights, the Israelites was wondering, where's the God who will lead us out of this place? They were looking for their God, and then they went to Aaron, and Aaron, we should make our God. And then Aaron approved it, and then Aaron told them, okay, get all your necklaces, gold necklaces. So they compiled all their golds, and then they built a golden calf here. And then when Moses, after 40 days and 40 nights, when he went down, he was shocked when he saw that they are worshiping a God. And then after that, he brought with him the Ten Commandments, the stone. He broke it. He got angry, and then he ordered Aaron to burn the golden calf. It got burned, and then it was powderized, and then it was put into the water. And he told the Israelites, drink this water. And then at the time, it was like Aaron who did that. And then so that's the reason why we are in this place right now, here at the top where they built the golden calf, near to the Mount Sinai, where Moses was for 40 days and 40 nights. Wait lang, go.
This is our first stop for our Exodus trail.
Welcome to Mount Sinai!
Precise Mount Sinai, taas mo kunti. Ayun, ayun.
Mount Sinai! Mount Sinai! Si Samsam di nakita.